Hey guys, it's Danny Clifford. Today we are just going to do a quick unboxing of the new DJI Air 2S combo, and this has some pretty big enhancements and improvements. And this comes with a 1-inch sensor, OcuSync 3.0, which is O3, and it has some forward or upward sensors, and also there are many new improvements with this drone, and I will get into more detailed and I will review and set up on this. And also you can connect this drone using iPhone or Android. Alright, so let's jump in and take a look. So if you're not familiar with basic kit and fly more combo, basically with fly more combo you get a few extra accessories like you get a case, you get extra batteries, and you get ND filter. Also you get extra propellers with this kit. So basically we are unboxing DJI A2S combo. So we got a small bag here to store our drone and other few accessories. We have the drone here and we will take a closer look in a few minutes. Do you see we have new obstacle sensor there on the front and upward. You have the controller, and it's the same one that comes with the original Mavic Air 2, with few changes on the front option, and the LED light are green instead of white, and it has a good grip to hold. This drone has 4 direction sensors, that is up, down, forward and backward. So you got 2 sensors at the bottom and 2 sensors at the top, and 2 sensors at the forward and 2 at the backward. And you got USB port to charge the drone. And you got a slot to insert the memory card. And you get a battery which comes with the drone, and you get 2 extra batteries with this combo pack. So we have another box here, so let's see what's there inside. So as I mentioned earlier, you get 2 extra batteries with this combo pack. So you have a power brick and a power cable to charge the battery. You have a small power bank, and this is a charging hub to charge the batteries. And we got few other accessories inside the box, so let's open it. So we got the user guide. In this combo you get a ND filter that will reduce the intensity of all wavelengths, the color and the light. So basically the photographer will have more control in selecting the shutter speed and aperture, and it is really flexible to fix or remove from the camera. And we got some extra propellers. Also you get 1 spare set of control stick, and you have a connector for the controller. By default, one for an iPhone is built into it, but if you use a phone that has USB-C or Android device that has micro USB, you can just swap it out with these cables. And you get a USB cable for connecting your drone, and also you can charge the remote controller. Alright, and that's about it. So these are the things what you get inside this combo pack. So I visited few places like lakes, plantations and hilly regions to check on few shots and I'm quite impressed with the quality of the pictures and videos. So you would have already got a glimpse of it in the beginning of the video. I will be spending some good amount of time in exploring the features and filters and few other options with this drone, and I will post the same in upcoming videos. Watch this channel for more content, and if you like the video, please do consider subscribing to my channel and give a thumbs up.